Okay, we got the adults coming in to feed the young tree swallows now. And sometimes they're coming in 2 at a time. So that's pretty awesome to see. And even better to photograph and film. And that's what we're doing right now.
Yep.
So the activity around this swallow nest this morning has been very consistent. The adults are coming in about every 3 or 4 minutes and feeding the young, so we're getting some great film and photos of this activity. We have some young tree swallows, 3 of them, sitting up on the same branch, and they'll do that and they'll wait for the parents to come and feed them. And they do a little bit of preening and wait for mom and dad to come with the food. There's Tracy in action. She's just photographing the adult tree swallows coming in to feed their young. And I imagine she's getting some great shots. Yes, I'm still shooting the swallow nest. A lot of activity going on here. A lot of fun to watch. Tracy and I are having a lot of fun this morning photographing the active tree swallow nest out there, aren't we, Trace?
We sure are.
Yeah, we're getting some good film and good photos, and we're going to stick around and see if we can get even more.
They're everywhere.
They are everywhere.